Welcome back, students. In this part I am going to explain what is fiscal policy, fiscal administration and government budget. Only the concept we are going to discuss. What is fiscal policy? Fiscal policy is the means by which a government adjusts its spending levels and tax rates to monitor and influence the nation's economy. It deals with the public expenditure, public revenue and public debt. In short, it is the financial policy implemented by the government. Or even I can give in a very short way that this policy is about the tax, how the government is getting money and how the government is going to spend. So that is about the taxation. Financial administration. A smooth and efficient implementation of revenue, expenditure and debt policy of the government is referred as the financial administration. See, when government collects money and government spends money, there has to be a smooth and efficient implementation of the expenditure and debt policy of the government. That is what is called as financial administration. How the government is using the finances, how they are spending money, what is the revenue, all those things are administered. That is what is called as financial administration. This includes preparation and implementation of government budgets along with overall growth of the country. Everything like at home, your father is doing the same at government level, or in the government, the finance department or the finance minister is administering each and everything, how the things are happening. So financial administration is very important. Next, government budget. Budget is an important instrument of financial administration through which all the financial affairs of the states are regulated. Budget is a financial statement showing the expected receipts and proposed expenditure of the government in the coming financial year. In India, a financial year is from 1st April to 31st March. Article 112 of the Constitution of India has a provision for annual financial statement. In every budget, a set of 7 budget documents describe the details of government finance in India. The word budget is derived from the French word baguette, which means bag or a wallet containing a financial proposals. These financial proposals are in the form of government expenditure and revenue. In short, what you have to understand, that budget is the financial statement of the government. Financial statement means, of course, it shows the receipts and the expenditure. Revenue and capital budget. Central budget provisions are divided into revenue budget and capital budget. What is revenue budget? It consists of revenue receipts or revenue expenditure of the government. Now, revenue receipts are divided into tax and non-tax revenue, and revenue expenditure comprises of interest paid on government borrowings, subsidies and grants given to the state government. So, revenue budget consists of revenue receipts and revenue expenditure. Now, capital budget. The capital budget consists of capital receipts and capital payments. Capital receipts are government loans raised from public and Reserve Bank of India, disinvestment of equity, holding in public enterprises, loans received from foreign governments and other foreign bodies, state deposit funds, special deposits, etc. So here in capital budget, understand that capital receipts and capital payment, two things are there. In revenue budget, revenue receipts and revenue expenditure is there. Capital payment refers to the capital expenditure on various development projects, investment by the government, loans given to the state government and government companies, corporations and other parties. Besides, it includes expenditure on social and community development, defense and general services. So these are the concepts that you have to understand. What is the meaning of budget, or what is the meaning of fiscal policy? These, as I said, we are only introducing the concept of to you. This is number one, that is a fiscal policy. What is fiscal policy? Then financial administration, then government budget. Government budget is divided into two parts: revenue budget and capital budget. These are the things, these are the introductory parts or introductory concepts. Thank you very much.